Looking for private water and sewer services in Ardrossan? At Kingstree Plumbing, we provide expert solutions to keep your water and sewer systems running smoothly. From septic maintenance to clogged sewer line repairs, our skilled team delivers fast, reliable and affordable service tailored to your home's needs. In Ardrossan, private water and sewer systems require specialised care. Our local expertise ensures we handle everything from private water system installations to emergency sewer repairs with precision and efficiency. At Kingstree Plumbing, we're committed to quality, reliability and customer satisfaction with every service we provide. Need expert private water and sewer services in Ardrossan? Contact Kingstree Plumbing today.